Hi special people, my name is Jill. Welcome to Heartjoy Crochet. Today we will be learning the magic knot. It's a great way to join yarn with a secure knot instead of having to weave in ends. It works best with standard texture yarn, as slippery type yarns may cause the knot to not hold very well and for the knot to come undone. So we're going to place our two yarns parallel to one another like so. Then we're going to pick up the green yarn, place it over the pink yarn, then bring it under the pink yarn like so, and pick up both ends here and then just make a knot, nice and tight. So we're going to pick up the pink yarn, put it over the green yarn, then underneath the green yarn and underneath the pink yarn again, just like that, and then put the end through like that and then pull and make another knot. Nice and secure. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull these knots together like so. Okay, so that is your magic knot. You just need to trim the edges, trim the ends I should say, not edges. Trim these ends. Probably go a little bit closer, but don't go too close, otherwise it might wreck the knot. So this is your magic knot. So much better than having to weave in ends. Thanks for joining me today, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you're interested, please have a look at the other crochet tutorials on my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.